Are you only using ChatGPT to ask simple questions? You're missing out. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you 10 powerful prompts that can help you study faster, write better, create content, learn coding, and become more productive. Let's get started. Welcome back. If you love AI, technology, and productivity tips, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT like a pro with practical prompts you can copy and use immediately. Act as my personal tutor. Teach me Python from beginner to advanced with daily lessons, quizzes, and projects. Create a 30-day AI study plan for a beginner who can study 2 hours every day. Content creators can generate YouTube scripts, titles, and descriptions in minutes. Practice job interviews by asking ChatGPT to act as an interviewer and provide feedback. Long books and PDFs? Let ChatGPT summarize them into easy-to-understand notes. The secret isn't just using ChatGPT, it's asking better questions. The more specific your prompt is, the better the AI's response will be. Try these prompts and adapt them to your own goals. ChatGPT can create a professional resume and cover letter tailored to your dream job. Here's my favorite prompt. Ask ChatGPT to act as an expert. Ask clarifying questions first, and then give you a complete step-by-step solution with examples, common mistakes, and practical advice. This usually produces much better answers. If you found these prompts useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and tech videos every week. Which prompt was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.